What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. To do so, you're going to download MetaMask extension for Chrome, and once you have done so, connect or create a wallet through the extension itself, and click on Ethereum mainnet up at the top. You're going to see that Binance Smart Chain or Smart Chain is not an option as one of your networks, so we're going to go down to Custom RPC. You're going to enter the details of the network exactly as I have them posted on the screen, and after you save, you'll see that Smart Chain is now an option for one of your networks. So we'll close out of this, and I have an available BNB balance just from working on previous projects, but for you this will most likely say 0. Now if we want a balance here and you're using Trust Wallet, that'll be the next step. So you can go ahead and launch the wallet and click on Smart Chain and buy some if you haven't already, and then go ahead and click send and paste your recipient address from MetaMask or scan the QR code. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to send over 0.005 BNB, and after we confirm that, it'll be pending for a few moments, and then you'll see that we got a notification the outgoing transaction was completed. And if we head back over to MetaMask, you'll see that I have an additional 0.005 BNB on my balance, and that is how you connect MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain.